Hi, in this video I will explain the example of annuity. So let's take a look at this example. Mukhzani purchased a house by paying Rm 5,750.32 cent as a down payment and promised to pay 811 and 41 cent every month for the next 15 years. Okay, the interest charge is 9% compounded monthly. So meaning that the interest, the per interest rate is 0.09 divided by 12. Okay, since the interest rate given here is 9% compounded monthly. Okay, and then the total number of payment is 180. Okay, because he make a loan for 15 years. Okay, times with M is 12. Okay, and then given here is down payment. Okay, down payment, which is the partial payment he pay to buy a house, and 811 here is the monthly payment. Okay, which is he has to pay monthly payment 811 for 15 years. Okay, so for the first question, what was the cash value of the house? Okay, so meaning that we want to find the original price of the house. Okay, so since he has paid down payment here. Okay, so you have to find the amount of cash value which is equals to amount of loan, which is amount he borrow from the bank plus down payment. Okay, so before we find the amount of cash value, we have to find first the amount of loan that he made from a bank. Okay, we use formula annuity here, which is present value A. Okay, which is N is equals to 180. Okay, so substitute into the formula. R is 811.41 times with 1 minus 1 plus I, which is I, equals to 0.0075 power of negative N 180 divide by N 0.0075. Okay, so calculate this by using calculator. So the amount of present value or amount of loan is 79,999.68. Okay, so this is the amount of loan that he made from a bank. Okay, so the original price of the house is actually, so the cash value or cash price is equals to 79,999.68 plus with the partial payment or down payment here is 5750.32. So the original price here, the original price of a house is 85,750. Okay, and then for question B, if he missed the first 10 payments, how much must he pay at the time the 11th payment is due to bring his overdue up to date? Okay, so meaning that he missed for the 10th payment here, and then he want to settle the missed payment overall, the outstanding balance at 11th payment here. Okay, so you have to find future value as at 11th payment. Okay, that's why we use the formula of annuity, future value as equals to R times 1 plus I power of N. So N here is 11. Okay, since he want to settle at 11th payment, minus 1 divide by I. So the total payment that he must pay at 11th payment is 9,267.86. Okay. And then for question C, immediately after paying for 5 years, he wished to settle the loan in full. How much must he pay to settle the outstanding balance, and hence calculate the total interest paid by Muksani to the bank? Okay, so first we find the additional payment, okay, the outstanding balance or additional payment or single payment that he has to pay to the bank if he want to settle the loan after immediately after 5 years. Okay, so after 5 years, meaning that he has paid 60 payments already, okay, because 12 months times with 5 years, so he has paid 60 months, okay. He has already paid for 60 months, okay. Now on 60 month he want to settle the loan, okay. So first you have to find the balance of payment, okay, balance of number of payment that he has to pay on 60, okay, which is 180 minus with 60. Okay, so the number of payment yet to be settled is 120. Okay, so by using this n, we substitute into formula of present value, which is we want to find the single payment or additional payment or the outstanding balance at 60th payment. So you substitute n here is 120. Okay, so R is 811.41 times 1 minus 1 plus I power of n. N here is number of payment yet to be settled, which is 120. Negative 120 divide by 0.0075. So the single payment here is 64,000 54 and 8 cents. So meaning that he has to pay 64,000 in order to settle the loan. Okay, and then for the next question, calculate the total interest paid by Muksadi. So meaning that we want to find the interest paid to bank. Okay, so you have to find the total monthly payment that he has paid, which is he has paid for 60 month here. Okay, so meaning that you have to times with R. Okay, with so R, okay, monthly payment times with number of payment that he has paid, okay, plus with single payment, which is the additional payment on 60th payment, and then minus with amount of loan. Okay, so the total monthly payment before that, this one Rn plus A 120 minus with amount of loan that we found in that we have calculated in A. Okay, so meaning that this one is A 180. Okay, so the total monthly payment is 811.41 times with 60. Okay, so 60 here, and then plus with the single payment, which is we just calculate a day before, so 64 0.054.08 minus with amount of loan, okay, 79,999.68. Okay, so 79,999.68. Okay, so the interest paid is 32,739. Okay, so means okay, this amount is amount of interest that Mukhzani paid to bank. Okay. Okay, so meaning that the earlier the settlement of loan is made, the less of amount of interest that Mukhzani has to pay because he settled the loan 5 years early. Okay, that's all.